What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Got my Rocky shirt on today. All I want to do is go the distance with Creed. Some of my favorite movies, used to watch them all the time as a kid with my pops. So we're sitting at 23.5K, down about 1.2 on the day. Seeing market cap of 452 billion, 24-hour volume 22 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, this is where I do the majority of my trading up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So, a couple of scenarios for the price of BTC. We may be looking to put in a wave C, so we came up in a wave A. This wave B may not be complete yet. We could definitely come lower. But if we do push up from here, then you'd be looking for a 5-wave move into a wave C and get a rejection from in between 23.9 and 24.6K. That's what I think is likely. Overshooting wave B, wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, come down into 3, 4, 5 to take you down to 19 to 20K. We can definitely break down from here. So if we do come down and break this low, that means the wave 2 is already complete, and we're going to see that continuation to the downside. Now, what I'm looking for, as I've been posting in the Discord here, is potentially that we come down and do a little something like this. Come back down to this level of support, bounce, create a right shoulder, create a head and shoulders pattern, break down, and that will take you down to about 19K. The technical target's all the way down to about 18.4. We may come that low, but we may not. We do have a massive level of support sitting right around 18.5 to 19K, so that's where I think we're likely to see a bounce. Now, the bullish scenario is that we are yet to put in that wave 5, as I've been mentioning here. I think this is unlikely, but taking a look at the micro count, you could be looking at an ABC correction, or you finish the correction, you push up in a wave 1, that's a wave 2 pullback, and you'd be looking to push up in a wave 3 to take you up to 24K. If we break that previous low of 23.3, that would invalidate that. Or we come down and break this low and this bullish count gets invalidated. I do not think that this bullish count is probable, but of course I will show it. You always need to show the bullish and the bearish scenario. If someone tries to tell you that the price is 100% going to go a certain way, either bullish or bearish, they're lying. You shouldn't listen to them. There's only probabilities. There's absolutely zero certainties. So for anyone who tries to predict price action as a fact and not a probability is lying, and I would not suggest you pay much attention to them, but that's just my opinion. All right, guys, so that's what I'm looking at. The DXY, we had that 1 hour bearish divergence. We started to break down. That divergence did play out. We're just sitting underneath. Actually, we're sitting right on that 104 support. So we'll see if that holds. If it breaks down, then the DXY could come down to 103, and that's potentially when you could see Bitcoin put in that wave C. And what I think will happen is the DXY, if that does play out, the DXY comes to 103, bounces, pushes all the way up to 106, and the price of Bitcoin continues to fall. We'll see how that plays out. Looking at a really micro count for the wave C, could look like a 1, 2, and then you'd push up in a 3, 4, 5 to complete the C. We'll have to see how that plays out. As I mentioned, if we do roll over and lose this low, you could be looking at this wave B not quite being complete yet, and then pushing up in the wave C. We'll have to see how that plays out. If we break this low, then you will see continuation down in a wave 3. Currently, we are short Bitcoin and Ethereum, locked in some profits. We got in near the top here, and the stop loss is at break even. So if you want those signals, it's only 10 USD per month. Plus, you get early access to my analysis. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. Mahado alt plays just added to one of my positions. That's $10 a month. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges, either Bickit or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading on Bickit, but I do use Bybit as well. Check out my full-length tutorials and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.